How to make a simple rat trap. When you find out you have rats sharing your home with you, it can be horrifying. The thought of having disease-carrying rodents running around while you're not looking can make your skin crawl. Of course you want to get rid of them as soon as possible. You can go to the store and buy expensive rat traps, or you can make a trap yourself for a fraction of the cost. Here is how to make a simple rat trap. Things you will need: a medium-sized trash can at least 20 tall, large piece of cardboard, piece of cheese or a spoonful of peanut butter, wide tape, shoebox with a lid. Prop the cardboard against the trash can at a 45-degree angle. Tape the bottom edge of the cardboard to the floor and the top edge to the rim of the trash can to help keep it in place. This will serve as a ramp the rat will crawl up to get to the food. Be sure to leave 6-8 inches of cardboard hanging over the top of the trash can for step 2. Fold over the cardboard to make a platform that hangs out over the middle of the trash can. Tape the sides as necessary. This platform will be where the rat food is placed. See above picture. Cut 2 slits in the middle of the platform, a diving board of sorts. The food will be placed at the end of this diving board. Make sure you fold the diving board at its base to make it flimsy. You want the rat to crawl on it and fall into the trap. Put a piece of cheese or peanut butter on the end of the diving board. Check the rat trap periodically to see if a rat is caught. Leaving the trap out overnight is the best way to catch a rat. Once the rat is caught in the trap, carefully put the rat in a transportable container like a shoebox. Drive a mile or so from your house and drop it off in a location where it can find food. Make sure you don't drop it off near other houses. Tips: warnings. Letting rats go free in the wild is the most humane way of getting rid of rats. Wear thick gloves when putting the rat in the shoebox. You don't want it to bite you.